In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money on GCash. This is a straightforward process, but I'll guide you through it step by step to ensure you feel confident and secure. First, open the GCash app on your mobile device. Make sure your app is up to date to avoid any glitches. Keeping your app updated ensures you have the latest features and security enhancements. Once you have the app open, you will see the home screen with various options. Next up, tap on the option labeled Send. This will take you to the next screen where you'll find different ways to send money. Selecting the right option is crucial as it streamlines the process for both you and the recipient. From there, choose Express Send. This option is designed for quick transfers, making it perfect for sending money on the go. The simplicity of Express Send saves you time while ensuring the money reaches the recipient promptly. Now, you need to enter the recipient's GCash number. If you have the recipient's QR code, you can scan it instead. Scanning the QR code eliminates the possibility of entering a wrong number, which is a convenient safety feature. Either way, make sure the information is correct to avoid any issues later. After you've entered the recipient's details, tap Next. This step confirms that the system has recorded the correct recipient information. It's always a good practice to double-check before proceeding. You will now be prompted to enter the amount you wish to send. Type in the desired amount carefully. Make sure you have sufficient balance in your GCash account to cover the amount you intend to send. Once the amount is entered, take a moment to review the recipient's name and details. Double-checking here is important as it ensures that your money goes to the right person. Confirming these details helps avoid unnecessary errors and saves you from having to reverse transactions later. At this point, tick the confirmation box. This box is your acknowledgement that all the information is accurate. This step is crucial because it acts as your final check before the transaction is processed. Once this is done, it's time to proceed to the final step. Tap Send. This action initiates the money transfer. After you tap Send, wait for the transaction to process. It usually happens quite quickly, but it's good to remain patient. Finally, you'll see a successful transaction receipt displayed on your screen. This receipt confirms that the transaction is complete. You can take a screenshot or note down the reference number for your records. Keeping a record is always a good practice, as it provides proof of the transaction in case any issues arise later. And there you have it. You've successfully sent money using GCash. Remember, each step in this process is important for ensuring a smooth and secure transaction. Thanks for watching, and happy sending.